Hey there! My name's Jenna. I'm an account executive at CauseVox, and I was just thinking, do you ever just wish all the fundraising burdens could just sort of go away? All the emails and the spreadsheets, the spreadsheets and donor fatigue. It's just really kind of sad. We really want to get rid of those things for you too, so that you can spend more time focusing on the fun stuff like donor nurturing and raising money and building up your team and enjoying fundraising, because it should be enjoyable. How are we going to do this? We decided to host a one-day fundraising summit on August 8th on Zoom, and it's free to attend. We are going to talk about defying the limits, all of the weights and burdens and blockers that come with fundraising, just moving those out of the way so that you can focus on what matters most. We've invited experts in the field who've actually been in your position, who will teach you how to turn your challenges into triumphs because they've soared. They'll share all the strategies and techniques and resources you'll need to make your fundraising more effortless and fun. Join us. It's a free conference, one day on August 8th on Zoom. Use the link to register yourself and maybe forward it to a friend, or 2 or 20 or however many you'd like. Invite your colleagues and we'll have a great day. Future you will thank you. Hope to see you there.